sand that I've accumulated here in a bucket, you know, I would have to then use soda because of the, you know, how powerful the machine is. And even though I can regulate it down to 0 psi, you know, with baking soda, I mean, I'd have to do these small aluminum parts with baking soda because sand, you know, would be just too aggressive. They're just little parts from a motorcycle. And but with this little pea blaster, like what typically people have, I mean, this is just a, I mean, you can buy this at Harbor Freight, I think. I paid $20 for it. You just have the main hose, you shove in a bucket of sand, and then an air hose. And you saw the compressor that I have, or that I just videoed it early in this video here, so I got to keep it short. But just to show you, you know, how easy it is with, you know, this is a glass, recycled glass. It's a 4070 grit. So if you run into a jam, you can't find anybody with a blast cabinet that can do parts for you, or know a huge soda blast company like myself, and you want to strip some paint off the parts, I mean, it's very, very easy. All you need is air and a little bit of media, and it comes right off. So, you know, I've got my